In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware called SpacialSoulutions. SpacialSoulutions is the adware attacking Safari, Google Chrome browser, and other Mac-related browsers. This particular adware is from the adload family. The adware may show its very annoying advertisements. It also may redirect your browser to a lot of deceptive places on the web. If it was somehow found on your computer, you should definitely undertake the measures and get rid of this SpacialSoulutions adware. Here's the way you can do that. Check your Finder, go to Applications, find this adware, and move it to the trash. I recommend you to additionally investigate the system with Combo Cleaner. Here's the place where you can get it. combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.